Started from a DM, now she wanna see him. If you wanna link, baby, gotta be the weekend. Just okay, guys, the first thing we're gonna use is NYX eyeshadow base, and this one is in white. Just gonna use my finger to even out the eyeshadow base. First shade that I'm gonna go in with is this one right here. And when I first go in, I'm going to dab it. So I'm trying tape for the first time. This is just regular Scotch tape. The lady also told me to just get regular Scotch tape and try to put the tape on my skin to make it a little weaker, and then just use it for makeup. So don't go too high with this color because you're gonna put a color on top of it. Okay, so we're gonna grab another crease brush and we're gonna go in with this yellow shade right here. And we're gonna go a little above the last shade that we put in. Go back in with the yellow shade. And we're gonna go directly inside the crease. Okay, now you wanna blend. Now we can go in with the dark brown and just put it on the corner. We're gonna use the glitter liner by Urban Decay. It's called Heavy Metal, and the shade is Midnight Cowboy. And it makes it look cleaner. See, this one is the way that I wanted to do it. But this one messed up, so I just added more glitter to it. And then we're gonna go in with your eyeliner of your choice. I'm using NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I'm going in with my Smashbox Foundation, and this time I'm using shade 4.3. I forgot. I just bought this primer. I'm trying to see if it actually does something. This is NYX primer. The foundation does feel like it's going on better. Okay, I'm going in with my concealer from Smashbox. And I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Matchstick and Espresso and contour. About to put on my highlighter. I have a new highlighter